We're doing really well. You know, the amount of people that have been watching what's going on your truck and what you guys are doing is just amazing. Can you tell them a little bit? I mean, they've been hearing me talk about it all day and Stephanie, but we'd love to hear it from the horse's mouth, so to speak.
Well, what we're doing is we are auditioning New York dogs. There's going to be one New York dog on the 2017 Lucy Pet Rose Parade show. So the winner in New York is going to be flown.
Yay, Shaggy!
Shaggy's ready for a wave. Give Shaggy a wave. Shaggy needs all of it. We'll represent New York.
Now, you know, that is amazing as that is. Something you said to us earlier, and Stephanie and I have been echoing this, I kid you not, all day. So, when you left your prior company, right, you were so